Kick a duck, everybody. Welcome to the Shed Show. Question mark? It's me again. Your favourite piece of shit. It's a Christmas special. It's one of those funny times a year where the entire planet is on fire and everyone's sad. Oh, someone's feeling a bit Christmassy. And by Christmassy, I mean worried by money. You know, if you don't like me, you're gonna hate this. Don't tell me how to feel. It's Mr. Shoe. Die. Oh, well, okay, Mr. Shoe. Why don't you tell everyone what's happening on today's episode? No! Oh, go on, grumpy guts. I don't have guts. I'm a shoe. Shoes can't poo. Okay, Mr. Shoe. I can take your guts if you like. What? I'll get them when you're sleeping. Okay, well, enough of that. On today's episode, I'm gonna bite your bum. I'm fitting the door.
Yes, I fitted the second door, and you know hanging a door is difficult, especially when I do it. Don't look too close, or I'll flick you in the eye. Don't ever relax around me. I don't get paid to do this, you know. What I do is priceless, and by priceless, I mean not commercially viable. I don't get money, unless you count the gratitude and love of my family and cards on the table. I don't. Door done. Cladding next.
I'm going to clad it in the same thing I did the roof in, which is this product. It's called Onduline. It's like cardboard, I think, soaked in bitumen. It's weird. It's nice. It also smells on a hot day, like me. But it smells quite nice. It sort of smells like, you know, oil. So it sort of smells like the 1950s.
Now I'm anxious that you think I smell because I said I smell. I don't smell. I have an odour, sure. But that's just nature's way of saying, stop, this is as far as you go. You must be sick now. Talking of stopping, I need to confess to you, it's the night before Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. My son and my wife are downstairs watching Die Hard, and I'm missing it because I'm doing this. So I'm going to stop now. Sometimes Christmas is like being told to sing a song you don't know to a dying old relative who didn't ask for it and who once called you Piggy when you ate a biscuit you didn't want but she made you take. But, more often than not, Christmas is hanging out with people you love in front of a fire and, if you can wangle it, a warm dog. This is probably a good time to introduce you to Blotty. She's new and finding her feet, which are black and white and spotty. I hope your Christmas isn't awful. I have my fingers crossed it won't be. All the bloody best, etc. William.